We got 6 feet 11 inches in our home. We didn't really take it serious, thinking that it was going to hit more north. And we left when it got about thigh deep, and then we just watched our house go underwater. We are rebuilding it. We elected to self-insure because it was $22,000 a year for insurance. That was flood and windstorm.
Florida's home insurance market is in crisis. 9 insurance companies left the state, and at least 6 others were declared insolvent over the past year. Fewer companies, higher premiums, some of them sky high. Floridians pay the highest homeowners insurance rates in the nation, according to the Insurance Information Institute. That's why so many like Michelle are choosing to take the risk and face the consequences on their own.
Hurricane risk has gone up, fraud, substantial fraud, and reinsurance rates have gone up, and the exposure has gone up. So it's a combination of factors.
The devastation left by Hurricane Ian last September is putting even more pressure on Florida insurers, worsening the current crisis. Some companies are even canceling policies. For companies, the big problem has been excessive litigation. Nearly 80% of all home insurance claims in the U.S. come from Florida, and the state accounts for only 9% of homeowner claims. And many of these lawsuits prove to be fraudulent. Most of the fraudulent activity is a result of contractor scams that convince homeowners to file for claims for new roofs when there exists little to no actual roof damage. Insurers had to pay these claims or fight them in court and then pay attorneys' fees if the homeowner prevailed. In December, the state's legislature passed reforms, including a provision freeing insurance companies from having to pay the legal costs of the homeowner or contractors who argue on their behalf. While this will likely help the insurance industry, it can hurt homeowners who have real claims. Jim Roberts' roof suffered significant damage during Hurricane Ian. His quote to repair it was $22,000.
When they sent me the paycheck, or the first check, there was a $6,500 deductible. Then there was like a $13,000 depreciation, which I still have no clue what that means. I had to take out a loan to pay for the roof. I hate to say scam, because they do help, but I think they've written their rules to such extent that you can't make out or even break even with insurance, but you're required to have it.
Politicians and others in the state fear that if insurance rates continue to increase, costs could top what some homeowners pay yearly for their mortgage, effectively pricing them out of their homes. Nitza, Soledad, Perez, CGTN, Miami.